Thursday morning, July 7th. I can't even sit down before they're all over my lap. They've already been playing for a while. I've been cleaning. So they're already tired, apparently. Apollo. There's Bia. Eos. Fan the Man. Hercules. Zeusy here, chewing on my finger. Apollo? No, no, no. Ouch. We got over here. Triton, chewing on me. Eos. There's Bia. What are you doing, Bia? Oh, goodness. Everybody pulling on the blanket. We've got toys everywhere. But Mom makes the best toy, apparently. It's pulling me. Huh, Triton?
Puppy, 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 puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, 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 puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Hey, Peter. Hey.
Triton.
Yes. Hi, sweetie.
Oh, Triton, tough guy.
Oh, yeah.
Zeusy. Ow! Apollo! Hey! Bia! Leave the toes alone. And the Man. Triton being a tough guy. There's Bia doing some exploring. Coming back.
You're not the first one to sleep. Which one is this one?
There's Pan. Zeus. Apollo. Triton. Oop, oop, Herc. Who's biting my butt? Eos. Huh?
Bia.
Bia's behind me, chewing on my back fat. Eos. What you doing, Eos? Oh, monster puppies.
Hey, Hercules.
Triton. Bia's